أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and increasing state of Iman. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah, today let's learn something which is related to tanween. Okay, as we have already seen that in tanween means nonation, right? A letter carrying double harakas will be at the end of the words, and that is called as tanween. And that double harakas are called as fathatan, dhammatan, and kasratan. Actually we are adding noon sakin in the harakas because the second haraka, that is second fatha in fathatan, second dhamma in dhammatan, and second kasra in kasratan is actually noon sakin, right? This is also called as nonation, where we are adding noon sakin. Alhamdulillah. There is one simple ruling in fathatan, okay, that is, as we have seen in the fathatan slide, that each and every letter except this hamza, you can see they are ending with alif, right? There is actually a ruling of it. Sometimes this alif will not be present, but still we'll have to apply it. What is that ruling is called? That ruling is called as mad al Ewadh. Ewadh means something called as substituting. Okay, substituting is called as Ewadh. Fine, and this ruling is applied only on fathatan. Fine, this ruling is applied only on fathatan while doing waqf. Okay, while stopping at fathatan word, while stopping at the word which has a last letter carrying fathatan, while stopping at that particular word, we apply the ruling of mad al Ewadh. So let's see what is Ewadh. Ewadh means substituting. Okay, mad al Ewadh is the replacement of tanween of fatha, that is fathatan, present at the end of a word while stopping at it with an alif mad. Okay, and it is prolonged for only two haraka because it is alif mad tabai. It is prolonged only for two counts, inshallah. There are few exceptions, that is ta marbuta. Sometimes you'll see the round ta, which is not this ta, it will be something round like this. This ta will be always converted into ha, inshallah. With examples you will understand more better. Here is an example of few words. Haraman. While reciting in Quran during wasl, that is continuation of the ayah, for example, if there is a word after it, we will apply the rules of tanween, ikhfa, iqlab, idgham and izhar. Okay, but if we want to stop at fathatan, we are not speaking about dhammatan and kasratan, because dhammatan and kasratan during waqf will convert to sakin. Okay, but fathatan, we will remove one haraka of this tanween and we will pronounce it like huruf al mad. Okay, like haraman will now become harama, harama. We will stretch this letter meme for two count now. That is why it is now included in mad ruling, but actually it is something called as waqf because we are applying it during waqf on fathatan. Okay, and here samanan is now being converted into samana. رغدا رغدا بلدا بلدا أسفا أسفا. Okay, this is the ruling of madal Ewadh. Now inshallah, let's see here. There are few examples from the Quran which I have taken. All the ayahs are ending with fathatan, so while stopping we will convert that into mad tabai. ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا. Everywhere we are converting this tanween into fathatan into mad al Ewadh, that is mad tabai. This ruling is called as mad al Ewadh. Okay, alhamdulillah. But while doing wasl, this doesn't apply. For example, if you want to read these both ayahs together, miha down, we will apply the ruling of idgham ma'al ghunna. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now, inshallah, let's see few exceptions. For example, you can see the letter Waw is carrying Fathatan, but the letter after it is Ya. It is no alif. So you should not depend upon alif. You should not be like, if the letter has Fathatan and it should carry alif only, then we'll have to apply the ruling of Mad al-Iwad. No, that doesn't matter if the next letter is alif, ya or waw. But if there is fathatan on a letter, make sure to pronounce it for two haraka while doing waqf. Okay, for example here, إذ ناداه ربه بالواد المقدس طوى. طوى for two haraka. Okay, now here you can see this round ta whenever it comes at the end of the word, it indicates that that word is actually muannas means female. Okay, something called as feminine. That will carry tai marbuta. This round ta is called as tai marbuta. In Arabic, this ta has one kind of ruling, that is, if it carries any haraka, that can be fathatan, dhammatan, kasratan, or that can be dhamma, fatha, kasra, standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma. This time marbuta may carry anything, but when we do waqf on this time marbuta, that can carry harakas or tanween or anything. But if we do waqf on this time marbuta, that converts into this ha, the round ha from aqsal halaq, and it always carries sakin during waqf. Okay, it always converts to ha sakin during waqf. So now, not just fathatan, remember that every time when we do waqf on this ta marbuta, the round ta, we will convert that into ha. Okay, how to recite this now? أَإِذَا كُنَّا عِظَامًا نَخِرَةً. Nakhirah. Now we will not convert it into mad al-iwad, and we will not pronounce nakhirata. This is wrong. Okay, nakhirata. The ruling will be applied only if this is the ta, not this one. Okay, remember this one ruling, inshallah. Now here there is hamza, but there is no alif after it, but still it should be pronounced for two haraka. So keep in your mind, whenever you see a letter carrying fathatan, then you will have to stop at that point by converting that fathatan into mad al-tabi'i. This ruling is called as mad al-iwad. Okay, illa du'a'an wa nida'a. Okay, two haraka. Alhamdulillah. Now inshallah you all will recite these ayahs. After that, inshallah, you can ask doubts if you have any. Okay, and mute your mics. ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا
ألم نجعل
نجعل الأرض مهادا
والجبال أوتادا
والجبال
أوتادا
أوتادا
وخلقناكم أزواجا
وخلقناكم أزواجا
وجعلنا نومكم سباتا
وجعلنا نومكم سباتا
إذ ناداه ربه بالوادي المقدس طوى
إذ
ناداه ربه بالوادي المقدس طوى
أإذا كنا عظاما نخرة
إذا كنا عظاما نخرة
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 إلا دعاء ونداء
إلا دعاء ونداء.
Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. We have completed the ruling of Madul Iwad, which is the exceptional, or you can say the special ruling of Fathatan. Okay, that is only on Fathatan because Dhammatan and Kasratan converts to Sakin during Waqf. Alhamdulillah. So if you have any doubts in these Mad al-Iwad ruling, which is due to Tanween and Waqf, you can ask, inshallah. Any doubts in Mad al-Iwad? Iwad means something which is called as substituting, removing that thing and keeping something, that is a replacement. Okay, especially during waqf, the fathatan is replaced by alif mad, only alif mad, not waw and ya mad, always alif mad, and it has to be stretched for 2 count, just like we stretch a mad. Like for example, in this word, then the time given to stretch this letter ba is the same time duration given to stretch this letter ta. So ba ta. Okay, alhamdulillah. Any doubts?
Yeah, sister.
Yeah.
About I didn't understand.
About what, dear
That
sister?
circle ta.
The
Circle ta.
G, dear sister, this circle ta is always, whenever you see a word ending with this circle or round ta, it is also called as tai marbuta, you will convert that into ha. This ha. Okay, it will no more be ta now. It will be converted into ha, the circle ha, the round ha, which is pronounced from our aqs al halaq, right? Hamza and ha. It will convert into that ha. And this tai marbuta can have any harakas like dhammatan, fathatan, kasratan, dhamma, kasra. But this ha, in which it is going to convert, will always carry sakin. Okay, always sakin. For example, this is nakhiratan, now it is nakhirah. If it was nakhiratun, then also it is nakhirah. Okay, even if it has dhamma, fatha, kasra, anytime when you want to do waqf on it, it will convert into ha with sakin. Okay.
Yeah, 2 counts.
And
2 harka counts.
no 2 harka counts, because it is not this normal ta, it is something called as tai marbuta. For others, we'll have to stretch for 2 haraka, but this will convert to ha with sakin. Nakhirah. Nakhirah.
Ha.
Okay.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
So no counts. Only one.
So no
one
counts.
count we have
Yeah,
to
just
add.
we'll have to add sakin on it.
Okay.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feekum. Jazakillah khair. So I hope everyone understood the topic very well. Alhamdulillah. So this is all about the ruling of fathatan. While doing waqf, we'll convert that into mad al-tabi'i. This conversion or substitution is called as mad al-iwad. Alhamdulillah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.